home prices are high, you are thinking you want to sell your house because you can get more money, you want to downsize, you want to upgrade. Good, right? But I want to discuss 3 most common mistakes sellers make when selling their house. Even in this hot market, 3 most common mistakes they make. Talk about that in a minute. Hey there, this is KGM, a realtor with Fairfax Realty in Greenbelt, where we help buyers to buy their dream home and sellers to sell their houses. And we do this in the Maryland, DC, and Virginia region. So if you're looking to buy, sell, move, invest in real estate, contact us below. We'll take care of you. And don't forget to definitely subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. So home selling in the DMV area is hard. Home sellers are able to get more than asking price. I mean, we've been in this sellers market for a few years now, and we're still in it. Buyers out there looking, sellers are making a killing. They have equity, but even with that, we have houses that have been in the market for months. Why? Because they made some of these mistakes I'm going to talk about. So there's a lot of mistakes that you can make, but I'm going to discuss three most common mistakes that sellers make when selling their house. First one, setting unrealistic price. House is very hot right now. Equity is high, but setting unrealistic price will make your house sit in the market for months. Hence, you're going to get less price. Example, homes are selling in your community, your subdivision, your style of houses are selling for between $480 and $500. Your neighbor next door sold their house for $450, another one sold their house for $505, another one sold their for $480. Now you want to put your house in the market and you want to put it for $580. I mean, that's just way off. $580 is way off. So you're setting unrealistic price. So you may get that price. Don't get me wrong, you may get that price, but the question is it going to close? It's not about getting the price, but are you going to be able to close it? Is the buyer able to close it? So if you get a cash buyer, hey, that's good. But if you get a buyer that is going to get a mortgage, what is the probability that it's going to close? So as a buyer, as a seller in this market, set realistic price. As a realtor, I want to sell your house for the highest amount of money. Not only sell your house, I don't want to just list it for highest amount of price. I want to sell it for that price, but I want to also be realistic. So listen to your professional when you say this is the price, because this is what we do. We know the markets is every day. This is what you do. Listen, don't set unrealistic price. Understand that if price you set is actually not going to be the sales price, right? It can be higher and it can be lower. It's a price to attract buyers so that they can make offer. If your price is really unrealistic, it would deter buyers from even making an offer. I've had some sellers say, well, let them bring an offer, I will negotiate. No, don't do that, because buyers are not even going to touch it. I tell my buyers, this house is overpriced, don't even start, because how do you, what do you negotiate when a house is $70,000, $80,000 over asking price? Is a no-no. So don't set unrealistic price. The second common mistake is accepting the highest offer. Yeah, you know, I said houses are selling for $40,000, $60,000 more than the asking price, but there is a caveat behind that. Just because somebody is coming in with $40,000, $60,000 over asking price does not mean it's the best offer. It does not mean it's the best offer. Now, if the offer is cash, hey, sign and seal. If it's a cash offer, you're good. But if it's an offer that is going to require a mortgage, wait, don't accept it just because it's the highest price. Look behind the highest price. What kind of home loan are they going to apply for? Are they doing FHA loan? Are they doing conventional loan, or USDA loan, or VA loan? All these loans have their requirements. If they don't appraise, they're going to move forward. So just accepting the highest offer does not mean it's going to close, right? look behind it. Can this buyer pay the difference between the sales price, the contract price, and the appraisal price? Or are they putting a lot of money down? Now we have buyers that are putting 25-30% down. So the loan that they are actually applying for is way less. It's probably going to appraise. So you want to look behind that. Don't just accept the highest offer because you want it to close. The last but not the least is selling the house yourself. Yeah, it's very, very tempting to just put your house in Zillow and get the highest price, right? But listen, statistics have shown us, and I'm not talking because I'm a realtor, statistics have shown that when you use a professional to sell your house, you get more money. Why? Because professionals are working with qualified buyers that will come in and make an offer once they'll say, like your house. They are not people that are going to waste your time. So listen, the longer your house stays in the market, the lower price you're going to get. So if you're trying to sell it yourself and trying to qualify the buyer and trying to see if they qualify, you're losing time, right? And buyers know if you're selling your house yourself, you're trying to save money. Of course, they know you're trying to save money. So the buyers also want to save money. They're going to come in and give you lower price. And also, people that are looking, the contract price, some of the contract you're going to get are investors that want to buy your house, fix it up, and sell it. Investors are looking for bargains too. And the way to find bargain is what we call FISBO, for sale by owner. So it may be tempting to think, I'm going to put my house in Zillow and sell it. It's tempting. Some people have done it successfully, you know, but majority of people are not successful in doing it. And the ones that did it, they sell less than if they use a professional. So those are the 3 common mistakes. To avoid 3 common mistakes that a lot of sellers make when they're selling their house, even in a hot market. So 1, 2, 3. Make sure you avoid those mistakes so that you can sell your house quickly and move on with your life. Listen, if you're looking to sell in this market or any other market, contact us below. We'll take care of you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. Happy selling!